What'd you?
And a lion.
A lion. What else?
Ah. What is that? And a doggy.
I think that's a sheep.
What's the big thing?
My gloves?
What's the purple thing in the front?
These my gloves up. What?
You got gloves to work out in the yard?
Those are gloves to work out in the yard.
Yeah?
Here, see what else you got.
Okay.
Watering can.
A watering can to water flowers.
I will put one in this for it grow.
You get to help Mommy water flowers.
Yeah. And grow deep.
What's the really tall thing? That's really tall. Addison, what's the very tall thing?
This.
What else? What's the big thing in the back?
M&M's.
That's cool.
And
Addison, what's that? No. Look, in your basket. In your basket. Look up. Up. What's that?
whoa. A bug.
It's a ladybug, but you know what that is? It's a kite. Daddy can put it together for you, and on windy days we can go outside and it flies in the sky.
A new one? Okay. And this is the carrot.
Yeah.
And this is balloon.
It's a kite.
Alright, say Happy Easter.
I'm not done.
Oh, I'm sorry.
M&M's. 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 Ha, ha, ha. Oh my gosh. M&M's. Whoa, candy.
And a bunch of candy.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Look at Daddy. Say
There's
bye.
one more thing in the back.
Addie Mac, say bye-bye.
I'm not done.
I gotta turn the camera off.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say Happy Easter, everybody.
I can't. I'm not done.
Just say Happy Easter.
I won't.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Bye.
See ya.
See you later.
After a while, crocodile.
I'm gonna have my candy.